Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Lidl and it's been a while, but I thought I'd pop in and see what they're dishing out for Christmas this year. There's so much in already and I'm going to be your personal shopper and take you round to show you everything that's new so you'll know whether it's worth popping in yourself. There are loads of affordable pieces as always, but also some incredible designer dupes that you won't believe are from Lidl. I found some absolute gems and the prices are even better. So grab a hot drink, get comfy and let's go and have a look round Lidl's newest collection. Lidl have come straight in with a huge Christmas selection this year. These were only $1.29, which is amazing value. There were 4 different scents to choose from and my favourite was definitely Berry Spruce. It's that classic traditional Christmas scent. They also had some lovely gift sets for $4.99. You get a pair of small candles and they actually smelt really nice, not too Christmassy, so they make a lovely gift or you could use them all year round. I really like the glass detail too, very on trend and everywhere at the moment. There was also a bigger candle for $4.99 and these look great for gifting. If you're a Yankee Candle fan, Lidl is selling them for $14.99. I was in Asda the other day, a video coming up very soon, and they were $17.99, so definitely cheaper. But let me know in the comments, do you love a Yankee Candle? Am I missing something? They always seem a bit pricey to me. One thing we'll say about Lidl, they had loads of wooden decorations, which was really nice to see. They were $1.99 and came in different styles. I did really like the little tree, but I've already got so many things like this at the moment, I definitely don't need any more. They were one of the few places though are still going strong with the gonks. They had these really cute ones for $1.49 and they even had some with stretchy legs for $7.99. Do you still like the gonk thing or has that trend passed? They also had some reindeer decorations, great for kids' rooms, really cute. But the one thing I liked the best was the nutcrackers. Fantastic value at $5.99, which is actually £1 cheaper than Aldi. My favourite though was this one with a little countdown Christmas. I think it's such a lovely touch for families. Definitely worth grabbing one if you're after an affordable nutcracker this year. They also had some glass globes for 99p. I remember these from last year, there were only a couple left back then, so clearly very popular, they brought them back. And finally, they've got these doormats, really affordable and $5.99 is a pretty good price. There was also a lovely selection of pens for 99p, gold and silver ones, perfect for writing tags or decorating at Christmas. They also had chalk pens in 2 different sizes, great if you like drawing on your windows, although I'll be honest, I'm never doing that again, it took me forever to clean it off last time. However, I did pick up some of the gold and silver pens. Really lovely light up Christmas village scenes for only $14.99. I looked up some of the big brands to see how much these actually cost per house, and honestly these were so affordable in comparison. There are a few designs available too, so you could easily build a really pretty display without spending a fortune. So let me know in the comments, are you a fan of the little Christmas village scenes? They had a really good selection of ribbons for $1.99, and I liked that they were different widths and sizes. If you're looking to stock up, they even had one with a bit of tartan pattern on it, which is very on trend. It's handy that they come in sets of 5 in different sizes, a nice mix of widths, and it did seem like really good value for 5. They also had a great selection of colours too. I didn't pick any up this time because I've still got plenty left from last year. They also had some big gift sacks. The Hessian ones were $1.99 in a large size. They do normally make me itch, but these didn't. And they had a really large velvet style sack too for only $1.99, which I thought was gorgeous for putting presents in under the tree, and it was that really rich on-trend red velvet colour. They also had a 2-pack of small gift bags for $1.99, which would be a lovely way for wrapping up individual presents, and they're reusable too. Had a whole section full of wooden decorations and all sorts of different designs. There were little symbols, cute hanging decorations, and even some felt garlands, all for just 99p. They also had these adorable wooden clips, which I loved. I picked up 2 packs with the little houses designs because I thought they'd come in really handy for hanging up Christmas cards. I'm a massive fan of the wax LED candles, and these were really lovely ones. They had built-in timers, which I love, 6 hours on, so you can set them to come on in the evening and switch off automatically. They were a great price too, $6.99, and I like the extra little detail on them. They looked really lovely. I use these LED candles all year round by my fireplace, and because they have timers, the batteries last for ages. So if you're looking for some realistic wax candles, Lidl had a great selection. I get onto the amazing Dupes. They've just started putting out their Christmas food. My absolute favourite, which I buy every year, are the Stollen Bites. They are delicious. I'm a massive fan. And I do also really like the marzipan log. I know lots of people don't like marzipan, but I really do. But don't worry though, I'll be coming back. I'm going to do a full video on the Christmas food at Lidl because there's always such a fantastic selection. A little bit of advice from someone who's worked in the garden centres and nurseries and has sold and seen these grown right from scratch to being sold to customers. My top tips are never buy them when they're sitting out of the packet in a shop. They really don't like the cold. And always check the little green and yellow buds in the centre of the flower. Make sure they're full and there are plenty of them. That's a good sign of a healthy plant. So when you're picking one, keep that in mind. This one was definitely the best I saw, so it's coming home with me. I also like to buy them early and don't overwater them. Just keep them somewhere in the middle, not too dry and not too wet. Start with the Dupes is a favourite of mine. I absolutely love this hand wash. I bought it loads of times and it's genuinely lovely. It's actually on special for $1.99, which is amazing value. It smells so good. It honestly reminds me of being at Disneyland Paris, because they sometimes have it in the hotel I stay in. They do it in a rose and lavender, and I think these make lovely Christmas gifts. They've got the matching hand cream as well. This one's 20% shea butter and it's only $2.49, so it's a really nice little combo set, and I've actually used this one too. It's really good. Then they have this range which looks like a fancy brown, we all know, but it's only $3.99. I actually grab the one from Home Bargains usually, but this one is a great alternative. You spot it in Lidl. And there's also this clever little lookalike, which I bought many times. The clever thing is, it's the label that's striped, not the bottle, which is how you can tell them apart, but it still gives that same designer look. I've bought this loads of times for $1.99, so you can pair it with the matching little twin set for the bathroom downstairs with the little hand cream. It looks really good together. Then we move on to this classic lookalike range. These are amazing value. They've got rose and rhubarb, which actually smells lovely. They've also got ginger lily, which is another really nice one. The orange and bergamot one gives that really fresh spa-like scent. So let me know if you've tried these and how they compare. They're only $1.35 for the hand wash and $1.49 for the body wash, so really great value for money. They also had these which are really pushing the boundaries of being similar to the originals. This one's called Dizzy Rose and it's $1.99. Then there's Honey I'm Home, which sounded amazing, and Mintalicious Tingle. Loads of fun scents to choose from. Again, let me know if you've tried any of these. They seem like incredible value. And finally, they had these which really look the part, very much like a luxury spa brand I've seen before. But again, is it just the packaging or are they actually good inside? Let me know your thoughts in the comment. I love to hear your feedback and help everyone else who's thinking of buying them. Now, this next bit, I have to be really careful how I word this. These are the dupes that Lidl sell, just to be clear, they are not the originals. I'm going to pop on the screen which designer scents people say they're similar to. Obviously, they're not those perfumes, but they do smell very similar. Let me know if you've tried any of these yourself. I'd love to know what you think. There are a couple of them that I didn't pick up because I've actually just been given a full-size version for my birthday, so I only picked up one, and honestly I couldn't believe how close it was to the expensive version. It's my absolute favourite, and for the price I think it's incredible. I'll show you at the end which one I bought, but again, let me know what you think in the comments. Are you a fan of a good dupe, or do you stick to the originals? Does it give you a rash? Let me know in the comments what you think. I'd be really interested to know. I know it's a massive thing, they're everywhere, so let me know. Back, I really enjoyed that trip. I went very early on a Friday morning and honestly it was immaculate. Everything was so tidy. People always tell me how their Lidls are messy, but this was really good. So I picked up, these are my favourite for Christmas, these marzipan Stollen Bites for $2.99. So I got one nice and early. I'm not going to eat them yet, but I thought I'd get them. And just a random thing, I did buy some food and stuff, but this one, if you like the Nando one, this one tastes pretty much the same and it's half the price. I think it's something like 90p. But we get through a lot of this. My son absolutely loves this, has it on everything. So Christmas wise, I just picked up two things. I just picked up these little clips that were 99p a pack. I think I'm going to use them for the few Christmas cards I get. I still get a few Christmas cards, but I thought if I've got a bit of string, and then, I'm shaking, not really, a bit of string, and then attach the cards. How nice are they for 99p? So they're quite a few different sorts. So I got 2 packs of those. And then I just picked up a pack of these gold and silver metallic markers, which I thought might be quite nice to use for things. I love a bit of stationery, and they were 90p, so I got 2 of those. And then the 2 dupe items I got, I picked up one of these. This is actually for a friend of mine who loves the L'Occitane one. So I thought, well, I'll get this one because they'll like that one. The Verbena is really nice. And if you've stayed at Disneyland Dream Castle in Disneyland Paris, they have this in a hand dispenser. So it reminds me of that. So I got that, which was an amazing price. And then this is the perfume I got. Absolutely identical to the main one on screen, the one it's a dupe for, apparently, but that was £4.49. So I'll see how I get on with it. But I have already sprayed some on, just went down to the doctor's to take my mother for an appointment, and the nurse said, I love your perfume. So we had a right old chat about this video. So it's really good. So they only had a few scents in, and I smelt all of them, but I didn't know what some of them are supposed to smell like. But let me know if you've tried these. I'd love to hear what you think. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Loads more videos like this coming, and I've got a fantastic video coming in just a couple of days' time. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next video.